Welcome to Bahurupi. For those who think that theatre is a dying art, for those who think that theatre artists are in a profession that doesn't have a lot of scope, well, here's Bahurupi to say, not really. This theatre festival gives stage to artists from across the country, gives them the best stage possible to showcase their passion and love towards theatre. And it's not only theatre, but it also hosts various other art forms and gives all of them a platform to show their speciality in front of the people of Mysore. But for people who can't really come to Mysore and witness all of this live, stay tuned to So South. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos, do all of that. But please make sure to watch all of the videos that is about Bahurupi if you are really interested in theatre. I am Sanjay Ponnappa with camera person Maruti Acharya, and you are watching India Today So South.
ಇಂದ 11ನೇ ತಾರೀಕುವರೆಗೂ ಬಹುರೂಪಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಾಟಕೋತ್ಸವ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿರುರಂಗಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಲಾಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಭೂಮಿಗೀತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಿಂದರಿ ಜೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮವರನ್ನು ಕರೆತನ್ನಿ. ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ.